Strategy analysts spend 60% of their time chasing fragmented data instead of crafting winning strategies. Our competitive intelligence pack changes the game with automated competitor data aggregation, customizable SWOT frameworks with dynamic weighting algorithms, interactive benchmarking dashboards with real time market share visualization, and strategic positioning models powered by predictive analytics. This isn't just for strategy analysts. Competitive intelligence managers, business strategists, and market research leads will love how it transforms chaos into clarity. Spoiler alert, your old Excel sheets just got replaced by AI powered magic. Here's what's inside the competitive intelligence pack: data ingestion with API driven competitor scraping, framework configuration using battle tested Porter's 5 Forces templates, SWOT analysis modules with cross impact probability scoring, benchmarking workflows featuring Gartner style Magic Quadrant mapping, positioning simulators with scenario modeling for M&A impact analysis. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a tool set, it's your new strategic command center. Installing the competitive intelligence pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add competitive analysis pack. That's it. You get the complete workflow: data ingestion pipelines, analysis frameworks, and visualization engines. Next time you launch Claude Code, your AI assistant instantly knows how to build competitor profiles, generate SWOT matrices with confidence scores, and create boardroom ready positioning charts. Warning: may cause jealousy from colleagues still using 2010's strategic planning methods. Ready to turn data chaos into strategic dominance?